Tungzhou Tri-Union Machinery Company Limited is a joint stock enterprise founded in 1997. We are the integration company in R&D, manufacture, and export various metalworking machines and woodworking machines. TTMC owns 6 factories, 980 employees, and 320,000 square meters of workshops. As a group enterprise, we have unified supplies of materials, unified sales of products, and unified technical support. The company group has a complete set of systems required for machinery production to ensure controllable delivery time and stable quality control. It has more than 30 production lines including casting, forging and welding, machining, painting, product assembly, and packing. We mainly produce metal bandsaws, circular saws, precision vertical drills, belt grinders, and other power tools. Various sheet metal machinery including precision bending machines, shearing machines, rolling machines, forming machines, bead roller, and pipe benders. There are more than 800 kinds of models with an annual output of more than 150,000 sets. The company strictly implements ISO 9001-2015 quality management standards, OHSAS 18001 occupational health and safety management system requirements, and ISO 14001 environmental management system requirements. It has 58 patents of intellectual property rights and develops at least 20 new products every year. Most of the products have passed the CE certification by TÜV. TTMC has been awarded a series of honorary titles such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Shandong Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, and Shandong Famous Trademark. TTMC always adheres to the export-oriented sales strategy and focuses on quality development. The products are exported to more than 70 countries and regions such as the United States, Germany, Russia. The export volume accounts for the total output of 85%. The TTMC brand has become famous all over the world. We always adhere to market-oriented, technological-driven as the driving force, strengthens cooperation with domestic and overseas customers, and strives to become a world-class supplier of machinery and equipment.
Because of us, the world will be better.
TTMC will be your trustworthy partner. We look forward to growing together with you into future.
As your reliable partner, TTMC always stands at your side.
Welcome to TTMC.
Welcome to TTMC.
Welcome to TTMC.
Welcome to TTMC.
The company not only focuses on corporate development, but also pays more attention on employee growth. Through cooperation with Zhongxi Education, all employees are enhanced by various forms of internal training and professional external training. Build a harmonious and open corporate culture and work together to build a century TTMC.